Today, we delve into the world of snow clearing prowess to discover the best snow blowers, ensuring you're ready to triumph over winter's icy grip and keep your pathways clear. Snow Joe SJ627E. The Snow Joe electric snow thrower from the brand Snow Joe is a reliable corded electric snow clearing tool. Compact and efficient, it's ideal for quick snow removal on mid-sized driveways and walkways. Powered by a robust 15-amp electric motor, it can move up to 25 tons of snow per hour and clears a 22-inch by 13-inch path in a single pass. Equipped with LED lights for nighttime use, it features an all-steel auger that efficiently cuts a 22-inch wide by 13-inch deep path. For optimal performance, we recommend using a specific gauge and length of an extension cord with a maximum length of 100 feet. ETL approved for light, fluffy snow, this snow thrower also includes a chute clean-out tool and compact wheels for easy maneuverability in winter conditions. Greenworks 80V. A high-performance device, the Greenworks battery-powered snow thrower is a cordless, efficient solution for snow clearance. This versatile tool boasts an 80V Li-ion system, ensuring exceptional performance while operating quietly thanks to advanced brushless motor technology. It efficiently tackles up to 10 inches of snow depth with a 20-inch clearing path, perfect for driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Customize snow direction with its 180-degree rotating chute. To maintain peak battery performance, store batteries at room temperature, as cold batteries may affect starting. Troubleshooting is quick and easy. If the unit doesn't start, remove the battery, let it warm indoors for 10 minutes or more, then reinstall and try again. PowerSmart Snowblower. Moving on to the PowerSmart gasoline-powered snowblower, this robust snow clearing machine is designed for efficient performance. With its powerful 212T engine, it can handle snow depths ranging from 1 to 12 inches, moving up to 2,400 olbs of snow per minute. The 24-inch clearing width and 20-inch intake height ensure quick snow removal. Starting is easy thanks to the electric start feature, which requires a simple push of a button. Its two-stage technology with an all-steel auger can handle tough, icy snow, and the impeller can throw snow up to 40 feet away. The self-propelled system offers 6 forward and 2 reverse speed settings, making it suitable for clearing slopes and larger areas. Ego SNT 2424. The Ego Power Plus Snow Blower, a battery-powered wonder, redefines snow clearing. Powered by 2 EGO Power plus 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, it throws snow up to 50 feet, making it a formidable tool for heavy snowfall. With an 18-car driveway clearance capacity on a single charge, using recommended 7.5 ampere-hour ARC2 lithium batteries, sold separately, it's both efficient and eco-friendly. The 24-inch clearing width, 20-inch intake height, and variable speed self-propel makes snow removal a breeze. Independent brushless motors drive the self-propellant auger, while weather-resistant steel and composite construction ensure durability. Enhanced visibility for nighttime snow removal is provided by 4 bright LED headlights. Additionally, it offers a 200-degree rear chute control and rear chute deflector for convenient operation in challenging conditions. Lithely 2X20V Cordless Snowblower. Next is the Lithely battery-powered snowblower. This efficient snow clearing tool is a game-changer for winter. Powered by 220V lithium-ion batteries with 4.0 ampere-hour capacity, it offers double the power for enhanced performance. Its 180 degrees rotating chute allows for precise snow directing, while built-in LED lights improve visibility in low-light conditions. With a 20-inch cleaning width and 12-inch depth, it can toss snow up to 20 feet away. The brushless motor ensures efficient snow tackling, and the collapsible handlebar makes storage a breeze during the off-season. With a 5-year warranty for the snowblower and a 3-year warranty for the battery, Like Eli has your back. If you have any questions, their customer service is ready to assist within 24 hours. Wild Badger Power Cordless Snowblower. The Wild Badger Power battery-powered snowblower is a winter essential. Featuring a 20-inch wide poly deck and a 10-inch clearing depth, it efficiently removes snow, saving time during winter storms. With a powerful brushless motor, it delivers 20% more power, ensuring excellent performance even in heavy snow conditions while extending the engine's lifespan. Maneuvering is effortless with 10-inch rear wheels, facilitating easy navigation through snow-covered areas. The integrated LED headlight enhances visibility during dawn and dusk. Backed by a 3-year warranty and reliable customer service, Wild Badger Power stands by its commitment to quality and satisfaction. If any quality issues arise during a product's lifecycle, contact them for prompt assistance. Works 40 V20 cordless snowblower. The WRX battery-powered snowblower, a winter essential, combines 40-volt power from 2 PowerShare batteries for gas-like performance without the hassles of gasoline. Its single-stage rotary auger efficiently tackles compacted snow and ice in a compact, maneuverable design. WRX PowerShare compatibility extends its use across various tools. With a 180-degree rotating chute, snow can be thrown up to 20 feet in any direction, while the one-touch multi-position adjustable chute deflector ensures precise aim. Featuring dual LED headlights for early morning or late-night snow clearing, it offers convenience with a fully collapsible handle for easy off-season storage and a soft grip handle for comfortable on-season use and control. Please note that customers may receive either an orange or black blower, with both versions identical in functionality. Ryobi 40 V21 Brushless Snow Blower. The Ryobi 40-volt 21-inch snow blower is your go-to solution for efficient snow removal. With the simple push of a button, this snowblower, powered by two 40 V5 amp-hour batteries, swiftly gets to work, fueling the brushless motor for maximum power and runtime. Offering a gas-free alternative, it effortlessly cuts through 13 inches of snow with unrelenting torque. Adjust the 180-degree directional chute for precise snow removal, covering a clearing distance of up to 35 feet. After clearing the path, fold the telescoping handles down for easy storage. Ryobi, the #1 cordless lawn and garden brand, combines gas-like power with cordless convenience, exclusively part of the 40V system at the Home Depot. That's all for this video.